qualification that I sit here with. I'm a woman. I'm a superwoman. What are you? Hi, everybody. Welcome to the next edition of this wee panel discussion with some really hot and empowering women in the room. And to begin with, I have Rinda, who likes and insists to call herself an empowering coach. We have Amreen with us, who's a corporate trainer, and we have Priyanka here with us, who is nothing but a memory ambassador. Who, what, wow, where? Wait till this unfold their journey and their story. All right, ladies. Hi, everybody, and welcome to this wonderful round of a chit-chatting session and a lovely panel discussion here. So, I know we all come from a huge amount of stories, journeys, experiences, but we are here with some specific agendas to deal with. We are here to showcase something which is very unique to us and something which you want to send it out as a message to empower the ladies who, with your words, might look up to doing something really unique and different. So Rinda, how has your journey been? A self-empowerment coach? Beautiful, that's a very strong word. So tell us in brief about what you do and let's see what your journey is.
So my name is Rinda, like she said, and I have started a thing called Tulsi Guidance, which also Tulsi means like it's the other name of Rinda, so that's how the name came up for me. I've been an architect by education, worked as one in US, Bombay, India, many different places. But somehow there were a lot of things in my life. I kept on wondering how things show up, and a lot of my logical mind was not giving me some solutions or answers that I was looking at. And that's when somewhere the universe started opening up some kind of magic things that came my way. And it's been a very wonderful journey the last 7-8 years, where I have transcended into a complete different empowering techniques for people. Like I said, I call myself Tulsi Guidance. I have a beautiful center at Borivali East where and you can see my information on FB and Insta by the name of Tulsi Guidance. There is a plethora of modalities that I've gotten together in there where I'm giving solutions and coaching, especially for kids, teenagers and women. I have a lot of success stories of people have totally changed their life and come out of many different issues that they were going with. It's been a personal journey myself, that's why I can guide them better, and I definitely attract more people who have a very logical bent, because as I was one, and I could sense when people come to me with a lot of logically wired thought process, I can really contribute to them because of me being so logically wired and how these things have been a contribution to me. I can guide them much better. So I would invite you guys, come over and experience it. That's what
wonderful.
The best
So
way.
there's so much that you have said with conviction in your own ways to people there. I'm sure a lot of people are already who are looking at guidance. They know where to head out to. Amreen, tell us, what do you do? You're a corporate trainer,
Yes.
young energy, so tell us.
So my name is Amreen Luthra, and I'm a corporate trainer, personal growth coach and an image coach. So what we do is that we've got small and short-term and long-term programs wherein we help kids, individuals, ladies, women, anybody looking for a confidence, an empowerment basically, or okay, I'm so sorry.
No, it's okay. Carry on.
Yeah. Okay, so we're looking for something. Basically, what we do is we help kids, individuals, ladies with enhancing their skills, building confidence, transforming their lives, their image, basically. And if you are one of them, maybe we could help you out with something. And so basically, I am a young entrepreneur. We started this a year back, and I've given out a lot of results. We are result oriented. I just don't speak about things which are not done. If you come to us, we've got samples where you can see, you can transform your lives. And yeah, that's about me.
Wow, that's like quite a lot of transformation, and I see you're a very young, confident young lady. Wonderful. Moving on to our brand ambassador of memory. So tell us, Priyanka, what do you do? And tell the enthusiastic, inquisitive viewers who are wondering as to why have I called you the brand ambassador for memories.
Yeah, so I'm here for creating memories for your worldwide dream destination holidays. So this is how my company name is, Memories Worldwide, and I'm Priyanka Verma from Chengur. I operate. So I'm generally do a lot of tours for family and women-oriented tours too within India and abroad. It's all one-stop shop for all kind of your travel requirements. I do a lot of customized and personalized holidays, and this is how my journey started as a women entrepreneur, with working more than 20 years in the industry as a professionally qualified MBA and a lot of ITA qualifications I have. Then I thought it is the right time to start on my entrepreneur journey with my professional skills and personalized touch.
Wow.
So this is what is my USP, that I do a lot of women tours and family tours to various destinations.
I think when you were introducing yourself, there's something in common that I immediately connected with. So not too many people know I did an ITA too.
Yes, okay.
But but life and journey has had a different path altogether.
Okay.
So it's been nice to have such vibrant energies in the room. Now this is an open platform, so please, ladies, please pitch in to talk. I'm sure in your journey of the number of years that you've worked up and you've come up with where you are, I'm sure there has been points in your life wherein there has been a point of reconsideration or some challenges. Would you like to tell the We members and the other aspiring women entrepreneurs as to how have you overcome those challenges to be sitting here and being confident of your journey today? So tell us, it's an open platform.
So like I just told you guys, I was an architect, I'm very logically wired. My journey started with my daughter's birth, her having some health issues, and I kept working with those. And being the logical, intellectual that I was, I went into a lot of answers by going to doctors and medical things and getting a lot of information on the net probably. But what I realized was the more I was going after it, the more I was creating it in her life. It's like, the more I got information on it, my daughter started creating more and more of those issues. So somewhere I started, at one point I went into that understanding what is going on. That question went up to the universe probably. That what am I doing wrong here? Or why am I creating it so much here? And that's how my journey started off with Switchwords and a couple of other modalities where I started looking at other aspects of the energy.
So you say that your modalities have come up because of the need that you had?
Absolutely.
Wonderful.
It was actually personal need with the whole Tulsi Gardens was never a part of any vision or anything. It's come out of total contribution as a journey.
Wonderful.
It was never that I planned it, that I'll be creating something like
Wow,
this.
wonderful.
The whole thing started with my personal issues, my daughter, the business going down and financial. Suddenly there was a point in my life where everything
So
was
this was
going-
the transformation process in
Absolutely.
your life that came
Absolutely.
through to bring the best out of you.
Absolutely.
Unfortunately, through a difficult family time, but this is what is
Exactly.
carved
And when I
out to be.
saw those things create a shift in my whole environment, and that's how I started kind of guiding more people for it. And absolutely every day, it's like for me, it's like a right now moment. Today I'm doing this, tomorrow I don't know what it is, and how to live in the now for me is a huge step. Because I was a person who would plan 5 years ahead and I would want it to go that way, very hardwired, logical, and thinking that everything is in my control. But today,
Absolutely.
I'm absolute in the 10-second moments, absolute in the now. So
Wonderful.
it's been beautiful.
What's your moment?
Well, I believe that my story is just like a girl about who's grabbed opportunities. So basically, whatever I have done is through grabbing opportunities. From starting from being a public speaker, to doing debates in school, to training, to teaching, and coming to starting your own business. It takes courage to start it. So for women who started their own business, it takes be the bold type. Why do you want to be someone who's working under someone and achieving someone else's dream when you can have yours own? And it takes a woman is a bold type.
Absolutely.
She does so many things, raising a family, raising children, raising whatnot. I don't know what my mother has done for us.
I'm
So
sure.
you guys can do it. I mean, you surely can do it. It's just be the bold type. Just do it. Just do it.
Absolutely.
That's it.
While you say this, Amreen, I quite mirror it with you because I think in my growing up days, I think the one thing back of my head was to just be there to doing it.
Absolutely.
being shy and the shy kind was never an option. So absolutely, you're right, bang on there when you say that go out, ladies, and just do it.
It is
Makes a difference. Yes, our memory ambassador.
Yeah.
What has been your challenges?
Yes, I'm a normal lady. When after completing my education, I worked, got married, had 2 children, and when they were growing up, naturally there were some breaks in my career. But yes, with the family support and an ambition and confidence in myself that no, I can overcome. So that balancing was required. Your home front and your work front was very much there. So I continued to do that. A lot of hiccups came with my in-laws aging up. They required more attention. Parents require more attention at certain
Such
stage.
is the life of
Such
a
is
woman.
the life of a woman.
It is never
Where
a
you-
smooth
never
rolling
smooth,
of path.
yes.
Yeah,
So you have to
much
always, give a little stop.
So
or a
don't you
small
all
pause.
agree with me in the room here that we have this little Durga in us
Yes.
with this many
Yes.
invisible hands. Now whether
Yes.
we are a mom or a student or a teacher or a homemaker,
Absolutely.
we are into all
All.
aspects, dealing with the relationships, dealing with the home and the maids and their issues and our kids and our work, and then in the end, like a dustbin, we find that little place for us, and then we say, "Acha, chalo, now it's time to look after us."
Can I
So
add
me
something?
time.
absolutely.
So in my journey, like that one aspect, somehow with my parents being the way they were, the education factor was always given to me. I was never, the guy I married was like always supportive. So I've never experienced that aspect as a woman. I always had very encouraging men around me, and I always had
Very nice.
encouraging.
Very
Yes.
good, yeah.
So completely supportive in everything I
Very
did.
good.
Like,
That's how it should be. That's how
Absolutely.
the equilibrium will be
Absolutely.
maintained.
So
So
I
it's
have-
like, I really
Yes.
consider myself fortunate in that when I listen to many stories. But I guess for me, what my journey has been, my own understanding, which was, like it was just the way I was as a person. I would give priority to others more.
Yes.
Not realizing that, and I would think that logic will give me all the answers, but if I
As
work
a
with those
maid,
things.
absolutely.
But for me, this
this
aspect
is-
that, yeah, it's the energy also that makes a difference,
Absolutely.
has been a beautiful journey.
Absolutely. You were saying
Certainly
something.
this is
I was
important,
saying that when we say we have to empower women, what about the men? Like these empowered women will raise empowered men, and then our daughters and the young kids are gonna have
I
empowered
somehow
relationships.
disagree with this empower women line
It
because
is-
we are
totally,
empowered.
totally.
It is the men who need to get
So
empowerment.
women
Okay?
like
We are so
I totally
empowered
agree with
and
you.
like so charged.
These women are gonna raise empowered. Who are gonna raise empowered men? I mean, if
Absolutely.
we're strong, there has to be men who are gonna
Absolutely.
support us.
Absolutely.
It's like working in tandem is what is
Absolutely.
going to create the
Very
most
good.
for the
Absolutely.
society.
It's so
that
true.
balance
Now,
is very important.
This is
you
such
know.
a
Yes.
wonderful conversation that is going to just take on
Yes.
for hours
Hours.
together.
Yes.
But I know we are all sitting on this wonderful time bomb
Yeah.
here with us. So now, before we leave this wonderful platform, all of you, there are many ladies who are kind of wanting to get out of their mundane life and to do something. Like be a face like you, or a face like you, or a face like me, or the face like Chaitali, what she's doing, or me, any one of us. So we need to leave them with some strong message that
That is important.
that is gonna touch their heart, that will be connected, and that's when they look at you as their role models, and they will do something beautiful with their life, and then hence your journey is worthwhile because you have empowered their life, truly empowered their life.
True.
So why don't we start with you, our memory
Yeah.
ambassador?
So,
one
I really would like to thank Chaitali and we as a platform where a lot of lady entrepreneurs like me are doing wonderful job, and I always got a positive support from Chaitali, and I really want to convey this message, as you rightly said, the way Ma Shakti has many hands, we all have many hands and we can do all the jobs very timely, efficiently. We should not give up and we should continue to achieve our dreams. And I'm always there to take care of your holiday dream destinations worldwide. You can reach me at 997077 You can always log on to Facebook page of Memories Worldwide or Insta Priyanka_Memories Worldwide. Thanks a lot, V, and thanks a lot to all of you. We
Wonderful.
really had a lovely time.
Wonderful. So what's your message, Vrinda, for
So I would say that true empowerment lies within you. You can, no ritual, no tarot, no astrology, no vastu can be of use if you're not empowered within. So I have lots of tools that I have played with myself, and I have given it to many people who have had seen amazing shifts. So I would invite you guys to come over, experience those sessions or those modalities that I've played with, because like I said, it's all about self-empowerment, and I have a huge plethora of things for that. I'm very thankful to Chaitali and WBV for everything that they've provided for us, the kind of networking we've done with each other, the kind of empowering we've done for each other is beautiful, and a lot of gratitude for that. Thank you so much.
Wonderful. Amreen, what's your message?
I believe that you are what you give out. So if you give out women, you give out empowerment to other women, you're gonna receive that. If you give out weakness, you're gonna receive that. So women like Chaitali, women like this whole group has given out so much of goodness and strength to other women to grow, to just be themselves. So I would like to thank all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Wonderful. So, it's time to call the day off. So, before I go, you need to log on to www.womenentrepreneursenclave.in, and that's where you will find the most empowering women and ladies there. We are all available on this wonderful link on Insta and FB. There are many online and offline workshops that are available for you to attend, and don't miss out. Chaitali is forever ready to help you out with smiling face and a helping hand to uplift any and every woman, because she connects with you from the bottom of her heart. Alright, so it's me Shambhavi. I'm a celebrity tarot card reader, Vastu consultant, a holistic healer and a life coach here. Being the host and host for my friends in the room today, and I'll see you around soon. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi, welcome to the next round of another panel discussion with some more powerful ladies in the room. Hello friends, my name is Shambhavi and I'm the host and host for this another chit chat that we're gonna be having. A strong woman is somebody who stands up for herself. A stronger woman is somebody who stands up for the others. Yes, that is what Chaitali, the founder of We, does for every one of us who needs a stronger hand. Yes, you have a platform at We to be empowering, to be connecting and to be networking. Whether it's online or it's offline, We always gives you that platform and a listening ear. So, we are here for this wonderful chit-chatting session and a lovely panel discussion with some empowering ladies from truly different walks of life, each having its own journey, each coming from a particular mindset, battling with the challenges of the society, home, family, and whatnot. A mini Durga in all of us. I'm proud to welcome Suman, who's from the wonderful state of Bihar, and she's wearing the wonderful Madhubani painting. We have next is Sonu with us. Then we have Bhanuji. And finally to my left, I have Minky. Now do you want to know what these empowering ladies are doing? Wait till you hear them. So हम आते हैं सुमन से बातें करते हैं कि सुमन बिहार से यहाँ कैसे आई, क्या खासियत है इनके साथ और ये मधुबनी क्यों पहनकर आई हैं. आइए इनसे बातें करते हैं. हेलो सुमन, वेलकम टू दिस वंडरफुल नेटवर्क.
हेलो संभव, मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई यहाँ पे आकर आपसे मिलकर और अपनी बातें बताने के लिए. मेरा नाम सीमा सुमन है और मैं बिहार से बिलोंग करती हूँ और मैं मधुबनी आर्ट 1 साल से इसका काम कर रही हूँ और मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि मुझे अपने क्षेत्र का काम का इतना प्रोत्साहन मिला, लोग इतना पसंद कर रहे हैं. मैं जब मैंने स्टार्ट किया तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि मैं बहुत डरी हुई थी और मैंने छोटे से पेंटिंग से काम स्टार्ट किया और अभी लोग बहुत पसंद करें और पहले तो मैं सिर्फ पेंटिंग्स का काम करती थी, लेकिन अब मेरे पास दुपट्टे, कुर्ती और बहुत तरह की चीज़ें हैं जो
ये बहुत अच्छी बात है कि जो आपकी हुनर है, जो आपका टैलेंट है, हम उसे अपने घर के 4 दीवारी से बाहर निकाल के एक ऐसे ग्लोबल प्लेटफॉर्म पे लाके बैठा दिए हैं कि जहाँ पे कई ऐसी लेडीज़ हैं जिन्हें ये कपड़ा, ये पोशाक, ये पेंटिंग पहनने का मौका ही नहीं मिलता है. But thanks to Seema now, you will get a lot of Madhubani, and trust me, her stuff is amazing. She like beautiful designs come out on this base. It's lovely. Yes, Sonu, tell us what do you do?
Yeah, hi, I'm
Hi.
Sonu here. I'm founder of Salon Skill Academy of beauty, makeup, hair and nail art.
Wonderful.
Yeah, so basically we are into training women in all the fields related to beauty.
Wow, and I can see that glow coming out of your face. Wonderful. Bhanuji, welcome.
Hi.
Hi.
Bhavi. I am Banu Rasputra. I am a solicitor advocate notary of BR Legal Solutions. Mainly my practice area of practice is of 32 years into property and company matters.
Wow. So, ladies, we have a law lady among us. Any law query, anything to do with the legal thing, we know where we have to head to. That's wonderful. We have Minky here. Minky, बताइए आप क्या
Hi,
करती
Sharma.
हैं? Hi.
हाय, मेरा नाम मिंकी घोष है। मैं अंधेरी वशीवाड़ा से आई हूँ। मेरा जो प्रोडक्ट है वो है प्योर हैंडलूम एक्सक्लूसिव साड़ीज, जो हम लोग वेस्ट बंगाल, उड़ीसा, एमपी एंड बनारस से लाते हैं और वीवर्स लोग से हम लोग अब खुद अपना डिज़ाइन देके डायरेक्ट उधर से लेके इधर हम लोग सेलिंग्स का कोशिश कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज ऑफ कि वीवर्स को एम्पावर करना हमारा मेन मोटो है और वीवर्स को फैमिलीज को सपोर्ट करना हमारा इस बिजनेस का मेन मोटो है।
Such a beautiful thought. सुना आप लोगों ने? कहाँ से मिंकी आई हैं, कहाँ रहती हैं और क्या थॉट है? उनका थॉट है कि वो वीवर्स को हेल्प करें। सीरियसली, आज हम जितना वेस्टर्न क्लोथ्स की तरफ मूव कर रहे हैं, ये बेचारे वीवर्स को मौका नहीं मिलता है अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को शोकेस करने का। इंडिया शुरू से जाना जाता है कि ये सोन चिड़िया थी। यहाँ पे टैलेंट, स्किल्स इतने सारे हैं कि अगर हम अपने भारत को ही एक्सप्लोर करना शुरू करें, यहाँ के कपड़े, पोशाक, चीज़ों को एक्सप्लोर करें, तो बहुत कुछ है। ये बहुत ही अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है जो पिंकी ने उठाया है कि वीवर्स जो लिटरली लुप्त हो रहे हैं इंडिया से, सुमन, मिंकी, इन दोनों ने एक बहुत अच्छा कॉन्सेप्ट शुरू किया है कि ये बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट मैसेज देते हुए कि अगर आप किसी भी शहर से, आज के समय में ये बोलना गलत होगा कि कोई छोटे शहर से या कोई बड़े शहर से, बिकॉज चैलेंजेस बड़े शहरों में भी उतनी ही होती हैं जितनी छोटे शहरों में होती हैं। तो आई थिंक ये माइंडसेट है, जब थोड़ा समय लगेगा चेंज होने के लिए, लेकिन ये जहाँ से भी आए हैं इन्होंने अपने कल्चर को नहीं छोड़ा। यूजुअली क्या होता है, मॉडर्नाइजेशन के नाम पे हम अपने कल्चर को पीछे छोड़ आते हैं और जहाँ जाते हैं वहीं के हो जाते हैं। सो ये बहुत अच्छा इन दोनों ने ऐसा एग्जाम्पल दिया है। आइए हम ये देखते हैं कि इस दौरान, इस जर्नी के दौरान आई एम श्योर इन सबों ने भी कहीं ना कुछ कठिनाइयाँ तो ज़रूर उठाई होंगी। सुनते हैं इनसे कि ऐसी क्या चीज़ थी जो इन्होंने कठिनाइयों के नाम पे उठाया और ये उससे ऊपर आके आज यहाँ हमारे समक्ष बैठी हुई हैं। सो ये एक ओपन प्लेटफॉर्म है, प्लीज़ सिर्फ सीमा और विंकी के लिए नहीं, भानु जी और सोनू, इवन फॉर यू, आप लोग प्लीज़ कंट्रीब्यूट कीजिए कि क्या आपकी चैलेंजेस थी, हाउ हैव यू ओवरकम दोस चैलेंजेस एंड यू रीच्ड हियर। सो प्लीज़ गो अहेड। सुमन, टेल अस।
मैं यहाँ पे आई तो मुझे ऐसा लगा, मैं कभी बाहर में काम पहले भी नहीं करती थी, क्यों तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मुझे लोग कैसे पहचानेंगे और मैं कैसे काम शुरू करूँ। फिर
एक मिनट कट,
जब मैंने काम शुरू किया तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि अभी मैं ये काम, मेरा तो इतना नेटवर्क नहीं है, तो मैं कैसे ये काम, कैसे लोग से मैं पहचान बढ़ाऊँ। फिर मुझे किसी फ्रेंड ने वी के बारे में बताया और वी में ही सबसे पहले मुझे प्लेटफॉर्म मिला अपना एग्जीबिशन लगाने के लिए। और मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रगल नहीं करना पड़ा क्योंकि मैं वी से जुड़ गई और फिर मुझे पीछे मुड़ कर देखने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी, क्योंकि वहाँ से मुझे कांटेक्ट एक के बाद एक मिलता गया और मेरा काम भी बढ़ता गया। और अभी मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही कि मेरे काम का डिमांड बहुत अच्छा हो।
Very
और
nice.
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ इस काम से कि मैंने बहुत अच्छा संस्था वी से जुड़ गई। तो मैं
Very
इसे
nice.
हमेशा लकी मानती हूँ।
तो आप एक चैलेंजिंग सिचुएशन से आए जहाँ पे वी ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म ने आपको
हाँ।
हेल्प करके हेल्पिंग
हाँ।
हैंड दिया। वंडरफुल। सोनू, आपका क्या था?
Yeah, hi. Actually, I'm by profession I'm a computer engineer. So I worked in very big companies like ICICI, Patni, TCS. But एक point life में ऐसे आया कि when I had to choose between my family and my
आई
profession.
थिंक ये सब लेडीज की लाइफ में ये टर्निंग पॉइंट आता है. Yes, please
So
tell us.
so that time I decided कि नहीं मुझे job quit करना है अपना, and then I took a break. But then उस दौरान में there's something always incomplete inside me. हमेशा लगता था कि कुछ तो करना है काफ़ी समय हो गया, just sitting at home is not me. So फिर उसके बाद में I try to figure out कि मेरा पैशन क्या है. So beauty is of course passion of all the ladies. तो मैंने सोचा कि क्यों नहीं I do something in beauty related field. I did beautician course and now I have my own academy where I am teaching many women in all the fields related to beauty. Makeup है, hair है, nail art है, so everything we teach in our academy.
वाह वंडरफुल. सो कहाँ हम जायंट इंडस्ट्री से निकलकर एक अपनी जर्नी, अपना अस्तित्व इस्टेब्लिश करते हुए, वेरी गुड. टुडे यू आर गोइंग अहेड एंड एम्पावरिंग लाइफ. वेरी गुड. इट नीड्स एन अपलॉड, it needs a recognition, and you are at the right place to be getting connected to many more good things coming in store for you. Wonderful. भानु जी कहिए, आपकी जर्नी अभी तक कैसी थी?
मेरी जर्नी जब मैं 88 में जब एडवोकेट प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट किया, एट दैट टाइम देयर इज वेरी लेस वुमेन. देयर आफ्टर आई स्टार्टेड गिविंग एग्जाम ऑफ solicitor has only 2% result. So in my community and in ladies player, very less, only 1% is a solicitor lady. And from my family and friend there is no support. So I have done my roaming around to have a practice with the solicitor firm and to go to court. I learned myself everything. Nobody support me. Then so as a woman, no one should be no one should think that as a woman we can't do anything. We can do everything what we would like to. So whatever we women like to do, we have to do it.
सही बात है. ये बहुत ज़रूरी होता है कि अगर हम करें तो चाह अंदर से अपनी उठनी चाहिए. ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. कई बार ना हम चाहते ही नहीं है, तो अगर कहते हैं ना जहाँ चाह है वहाँ राह है. इन्होंने चाहा तो इन्होंने राह बनाया अगेंस्ट ऑल ऑड्स. फैमिली ने नहीं किया सपोर्ट, फ्रेंड्स ने सपोर्ट नहीं किया, बट चाह था सो आगे बढ़े. आइए मिंकी से सुनते हैं आपकी क्या थी स्टोरी.
मेरा स्टोरी ऐसा है कि जैसे मैं इतना दिन मैं अपनी फैमिली को लेके बिजी थी. मेरा 2 बच्चे, हस्बैंड है, ऑल दैट. लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लगता है ऐसे मेरा बैकग्राउंड बिजनेस मैन फैमिली से है, तो जॉब करना मेरे लिए बहुत आई एम एक डरावना चीज़ होता है. तो मैं बहुत दिन से सर्चिंग कर रही थी मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ कि मैं खुद अपना एक प्रोडक्ट लेके बना. तो उसी सिलसिले में मैं ऐसे सोचते ऐसे कम्युनिकेट करते करते मेरे ग्रुप के साथ मैंने ज्वाइन किया. फिर वो ग्रुप के थ्रू मुझे ये भी जो हैंडलूम प्योर साड़ीज़ का जो प्रोडक्ट है वो मुझे मिला. तो उधर अभी मेरा ग्रुप का जो नाम है वो ये भी है, उसके साथ मैं एसोसिएट करती हूँ. ये हमारा जो ये है अंधेरी लोखंडवाला में है. उधर आप अगर पर्सनली हम लोग उधर क्लाइंट को बुलाते हैं, पर्सनली हम लोग अटेंड करते हैं, और उधर बहुत एक्सक्लूसिव साड़ीज़ का स्टॉक हम लोग ने उधर रखा है. सो प्लीज़ कम ओवर. आप उधर आके अपना साड़ीज़ चूज़ कर सकते हैं, और मैं आगे अपना कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर भी दूँगी. ऐसा ही मेरा जर्नी स्टार्ट हुआ. अभी मैं वी के साथ जुड़ी हूँ, तो वी के साथ जुड़ने से मेरा जो नेटवर्किंग है वो बहुत मेरा बढ़ गया है. लवली लेडीज़ के साथ मैं मीट हो, जो जिन लोगों को मैं अपना प्रोडक्ट दिखा सकूँ, और वो लोग भी बहुत खुश है मेरे प्रोडक्ट के साथ कि ये हैंडलूम है और एक्सक्लूसिव साड़ीज़ है जो बॉम्बे में जिसका थोड़ा सा कमी थी मेरे हिसाब से, तो वो मैंने पूरी की वी के नेटवर्क के. थैंक यू.
बहुत ही आप लोगों की स्टोरी सुन के ना मैं 1 मिनट के लिए सोच में पड़ गई कि इतनी स्टोरीज़ हैं, इतनी जर्नीज़ हैं. अगर ये प्लेटफॉर्म ना होता तो पॉज ना, एक मिनट की खामोशी कि हम शायद अपने अपने घरों में बैठे होते और ये सोचते होते कि आगे कैसे बढ़े. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू बी द वुमेन इन द क्राउड, टू एडजस्ट द अदर वुमेन्स क्राउड, नॉट टू पुल देम डाउन. ये बहुत कम लोग करते हैं, और ये कम्युनिटी जो वी एंटरप्रेन्योर्स एनक्लेव की कम्युनिटी है, ये ना कि ये बात मानती है, इसे एवरी बिट फॉलो करती है. विच इज़ वाई वी आर हियर, रूम फुल ऑफ लेडीज चिट चैटिंग and just speaking of opportunities of how each one of us is just bringing up together. That is very important. That is where the success ratio lies as to how we can just grow up to be what we are and to lead a life that we want to live. raising a family, bringing up children is one part of the womanhood. We are not here to be only doing that. We are here to be living our lives also. We have the we in us. We have our own astitva. All right, wonderful. It's been to chat and to talk to you and to learn about you. बट जैसे मैंने कहा कि 1 मिनट की खामोशी हो जाती है कि अगर ये प्लेटफॉर्म ना होता तो आई रियली वॉन्ट ऑल ऑफ यू टू थिंक एंड टेल मी व्हाट इज दैट वन मैसेज सिटिंग देयर एट होम somebody when this YouTube link or the media reaches them. You need to be inspiring those ladies who are at home, who want to do something like you and take you all as a complete role model. But उनके पास इंस्पिरेशन नहीं है या आप लोगों जैसा कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है. सो एक कुछ ऐसा बोलेंगे जहाँ पे हम उनको इंस्पायर करें, उनकी जर्नी को इंस्पायर करें, पटना से, बिहार से, फ्रॉम उड़ीसा,
West Bengal.
yes, West Bengal, why not? Please go ahead, please share your one line of motivation or a message for the ladies. Sonu, why don't you start?
Yeah, hi. My message to all ladies would be you should always follow your dreams. Figure out आपके अंदर क्या passion है, who you really are, what do you really love, आपको क्या पसंद है, and then try working towards it, and of course follow your dreams and success will definitely follow you. Yeah.
Wonderful. सीमा.
मैं ये बोलना चाहूँगी कि कोई भी काम अगर आपको करने की इच्छा है तो वो ज़रूर हो सकता है, लेकिन कोई भी बिजनेस स्टार्ट करो तो उसमें थोड़ा पेशेंस रखना पड़ता है. और कोई भी अच्छी संस्था से जुड़ जाए तो शायद उसको आगे बढ़ने में आपको बहुत ज़रूर जुड़े, जिससे आपको काम आगे बढ़ने में आपको हेल्प होगा, जैसे मुझे हुआ.
Wonderful. भानु जी.
मुझे लेडीज़ एंटरप्रेन्योर को मैसेज देना है कि फर्स्ट वी हैव टू बी हार्ड वर्क एंड ऑनेस्ट. विदाउट ऑनेस्टी एंड हार्ड वर्क नथिंग विल हैपन, नथिंग. एंड एट द टाइम यू हैव टू बी मर्सीफुल टुवर्ड्स अदर ऑल्सो. देन यू कैन गो अपवर्ड एंड यू कैन हेल्प टू योर कम्युनिटी योरसेल्फ. थैंक यू.
बिल्कुल. यस मिंकी.
एज ए वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर मैं बाकी जितने भी लेडीज़ हैं जो लोग अभी तक ये लाइन पे नहीं है, तो मैं उनको मैसेज देना चाहती हूँ कि एक लेडीज़ माँ है, बहन है, बहू है, वो सब काम करने के बाद भी आप में अगर वो मन में आपका चाह है तो वो आप सब कर सकते हो. जस्ट थिंक योर सेल्फ, और आप अपना थिंकिंग जो है उसको आप सपोर्ट रखो कि हाँ मैं कर सकती हूँ, तो अपने आप ये यूनिवर्स जो है वो अपने आप आपको वो राह दिखाता चलेगा और आप उसी राह में आहिस्ते आहिस्ते चलते जाओगे. सो प्लीज़ ज्वाइन. ऐसा अगर कोई ग्रुप ऐसा है, भी ग्रुप के जैसे साथ अगर ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज़ आप ज्वाइन कीजिए, तो ऑटोमेटिक आपका जो ड्रीम है वो डेफिनेटली सक्सेस होगा. थैंक यू.
वंडरफुल. तो सुना क्या आप लोगों ने, इनके सक्सेस मंत्रास क्या हैं? ध्यान से सुना? अगर नहीं तो मैं वापस बताती हूँ. पेशेंस, हार्ड वर्क, ऑनेस्टी, ग्रैटिट्यूड एंड द कन्विक्शन इन योर ओन सेल्फ दैट यू कैन डू इट. यस, that is what makes you complete, holistically successful. You need to be passionate towards your fellow women because each one of us is on some journey. Try to lift one soul up instead of bringing a soul down. Alright? To know more about the community, about Chaitali, her vision, about all of us, you can log on to the Facebook page that we have, which is weenclave.com. You can connect there with us and join the many online and offline workshops that happen on a regular calendar-wise basis, which gives you the platform not only to network but to bring the best out of you. कई बार हम सबों में कोई ना कोई एक शॉर्टकमिंग होती है जो हम सामने लोगों को बताने में हिचकते हैं. इनके साथ आइए, मिलिए, उठिए, बैठिए. आपको जो अपनापन मिलेगा ना वो आपको अपनी सारी शॉर्टकमिंग्स से ऊपर उठाएगा. It's been a wonderful session once again with these lovely ladies in the room, and with this we come to the end of our panel discussion and of a wonderful journey that we've all learned from each one of them. So see you around soon, and don't forget to log on to our Facebook page and connect with us. And I'm your host and host, Shambhavi, and I'm a celebrity tarot card reader, Vastu consultant, life coach, and I do a lot of things. Want to meet me as well? Come on to the 5th of May. There is a networking meet happening, and you shall all meet us there. See you, and thank you.
roll.
She has fire in her soul and grace in her heart. Ladies, we are once again here in an exclusive interview and a chit chat session with Preeti. I kind of paused when I heard her little journey around, and actually, it's quite inspiring and quite instilling. You have to learn more of Preeti and what she's been doing. She does something very exclusive, very close to her heart, and something which she's totally passionate about. Over to Preeti, and thank you so much for coming. It's like wonderful having you.
Thank
here.
you so much. I'm very grateful to be. Hi friends, I'm Preeti Kanani and I'm into designing and manufacturing home accessories. My brand name is Cocktail and I often have eyebrows raised as to why this name. It's an intoxicating blend of home accessories. It's a blend of utility and aesthetics and it's intoxicating. Once you buy it, you'll come back for more.
Wow, that's quite a lovely introduction, which I'm sure will get all the ladies' eyes moving on to the product
I
and
hope so.
asking for more. So, how long have you been in this journey?
14 years.
14 long years?
Yeah,
Wonderful.
14 years.
And what did you do prior to getting into this?
I'm a BFARM gold medalist.
So that's quite a transformation
so
from...
destiny and passion, I would say.
I'm sure.
I was an English vocab teacher when my kids were small, and that was something also which was very close to my heart. And then I ventured because of my creativity and a need to do something for my own self. And that's how I am into cocktail, and that's how cocktail was born.
Wow. Lovely. I mean, very catchy, very classy, very thought after name.
Thank
So
you.
how did and who coined the name Cocktail for you?
Me only. That's what I said.
Okay.
Thinking what and so basically it happened that when I shifted into a new residence, I designed my home in my own way, doing every small things, and I got a lot of appreciation. And suddenly I realized, hey, I like doing this. And so help with friends and family is how I ventured
I'm
into
sure.
this.
They are the first
yeah.
level of support that always
Absolutely,
comes forth in
absolutely.
all the journeys
Yeah,
that we are on. Wonderful. So tell us, I'm sure while you were launching Cocktail, there would have been some instances and episodes in your journey which were a little tough moment, and you have worked towards kind of
Oh, yeah. It
working
was
your way back.
It was a lot of hard work in the sense that starting something from scratch, getting to know. But like I said, I've been very blessed. I had friends, I had families who pitched and helped me to reach where I am. So it started
Wonderful.
off as initially I started off opening a store where I was sourcing. But I found either there were Chinese cheap products or European brands which were too expensive. And at that time, I'm talking about 14 years back when we were not so house proud.
Yeah.
And I thought everyone needs to have a beautiful home. And that's how I started creating. So my USP is that I make coordinated ranges. So in a particular design, you can have a tray, a cutlery holder, a napkin tray, a tissue box, a magazine. You can get 8 to 10 products and make a set. So you don't have to mix and match what you get outside.
Yeah.
And another unique concept I have is my concept products, which are like starter platters, a buffet organizer, a pani puri platter, which is my most bestseller, tequila tray, wine and cheese tray, and various concepts.
I'm sure.
These are my 2 USPs. And
Wonderful.
I have my own retail outlet, shifted from Lakshmi Industrial Estate to Goregaon just recently. And I supply to stores, I sell online, offline, I do bulk orders for weddings, corporates.
Wonderful. So, having been in this journey for 14 long years, I'm sure you would have I'm sure having also a host of loyal customers. So, what do they have to say, and how do they rate you?
That's what I think, that they come back for more. Like I said, it's intoxicating. They come back for more and they do say, "Preeti, how do you think about this product?" I said, because as a housewife, when I'm throwing a party and I'm utilizing a starter tray, and I would wish a tissue box was also with this and this was also with this. And so basically it comes from using the products ourselves, and that's how
This is so beautiful. How often do what we use, what we make do in our daily life, we go about making changes and using that into the lives of others. Here is Preeti with us, who is actually doing it so beautifully, using the product innovating, improvising, and offering it to you. It's been so nice learning about something new and nice, and and it's been nice to know your journey as well. So thank you so much for having being part of V and being here. But before you leave, would you like to share like a one-line message to your?
Yes, of course. First, let me thank V. I've joined V so that I can meet women entrepreneurs like me who are inspiring. And my message to all the fellow women is believe in yourself, be persistent, follow your heart, and enjoy your journey.
That's
Thank
so
you so
beautiful, so crisp, and so to the point. Yes, ladies, be consistent and follow your heart. We gives you that platform, and would you want to join the platform? You could just log on to an FB page of We called WeEnclave.com, and there you not only connect with empowering women like us, but you also get to speak and connect and network with Jetali, who's the founder member of We, and who's doing a splendid job in her work. She is inspiring, connecting, networking, and a lot more. So there's a wonderful networking meet happening on the 5th of May. So if you are one of us, join in there, and see you all around soon. Thank you and bye bye.
And friends, if you want to connect with me, my Facebook page is Cocktail Home Accessories, Insta handle is Cocktail Home Decor, and you can always call me on 9820177517. Thank you.
So yes, do save that number and get all your pani puri and wonderful home decors from Preeti. Thank you, and thank you all for listening and to be watching us. Stay tuned for more coming up. Thank you and bye bye.
Roll.
Hi, a wonderful good afternoon to all the lovely ladies who have joined here to see and to listen to us on this wonderful platform of We Entrepreneurs Enclave, wherein we are here with a one-to-one discussion and a chit-chat with Mrs. Seema, who would tell you and interact with you a lot more. But before we move on to Seema, it's been wonderful interacting with her, and I would like to tell you something about her. Strong woman doesn't mean somebody who has a lot of attitude. Strong woman means that you have a lot of conviction to take your dreams and to be the you that you are. With this, I would like to welcome Seema, who is now at 50, living her dream. Yes. Hi Seema, welcome to Women Entrepreneurs Enclave. It's wonderful to have you here on this platform. And so tell us, wow, that's really nice that you are living your dream. Tell us what you do and how it's all started, and why at the age of 50 you decided to start your journey.
Thank you. You know me so well. Thank you so much. Well, at the age of 50, like I don't see the age anymore, because when you get married and you finish with all the household things, the home administrator, I say, and then you start living for yourself. That's where, like, you have done with all your course, and you find an emptiness in that or whatever, so you need to have a change. So having come across this change is something what led me into this image consulting and a soft skill trainer, which is something out of the box, and I'm loving it.
Wow. So, ladies, now the next time you need an image lookup and a makeover, you know where you need to head to. We have everything at the We Entrepreneurs Enclave, and everything under one sun. And we have Seema, who's going to guide us holistically. That's nice, Seema, to know that you are finally now into a passion, into a profession of, bringing up your work ahead. I'm sure while you were growing up the ladder, or at the age of 50, when you started to step out and say, okay, now it's time to conquer my space, what were the challenges that you faced, which you would like to share it with our ladies and, help them be empowered?
Actually, this came very easily and very sweetly. It came into my lap, because I guess every woman has a flair for designing and creating, So following that is what led me into this profession. And what I have seen is, like, everybody is dressing up, but they don't dress up rightly. according to their lifestyle and their choice, they dress up because वहाँ पे पार्टी में जाना है, चलो ये पहन के जाए. पर ठीक है, पार्टी में जाना है, लेकिन आप अपने हिसाब से आपका जो है, लाइक आपका जो बॉडी शेप है, फेस शेप है, उस हिसाब से आप मेकअप करोगे, आप हेयर स्टाइल बनाओगे, which will bring out your style into you, into others, and you will show your style. So that's what I felt is lacking, and that's what I worked on that. So today, like, I would love to, guide people on this kind of thing, because I feel every person has their own style.
Absolutely.
And surprisingly, what I learned down the line when I was doing this, that every person has owned a color palette. So I'm here to introduce you to yourself,
Wow, I truly like that. Introduce you to yourself, ladies. Yes, very often, very silently, this is the need of the hour. When we say we are getting modern, we are going out, interacting, socializing, meeting, connecting with people, we need to be this absolutely correctly used statement that she's used here, is that she's going to introduce us to us, which we often forget in this hurry of getting up. So beautiful. You have like silently even conveyed the style of your working is so immense, so beautiful. You even communicated the message that I was about to ask you. But beyond this, is there anything that you would like to tell our other ladies who are almost of your age and are hesitant to be stepping out, and they say, oh, this late in the hour or this late in the day, how can I do something? What is a message for those ladies?
There's another thing which I work on, that is soft skill train. I'm a soft skill trainer also, and in this there are these school children around about say 8 standard, 9 standard, 10 standard, where they have this lot of stress going on, so, and it turns out to become in a very bad,
Yeah, these academic stresses can be really, really bad to these children.
Yeah, the
I'm
situation turns out to be very uncontrollable. So that's where I work, I would like to work in those areas. So having dealt with teenager children myself, I have been expert in this, and I have dealt with a lot of students, and counseling has been happened from time to time according to their requirement, which has come out with a very nice outcome of it.
Wonderful. So here, ladies, we have a hands-on mommy to deal with teenager crisis, which we usually put it up and we seek guidance and help. So we have a hands-on mommy who has successfully guided her own children and is ready with her soft skill training, with her soft skill qualities to guide your teenage kids with what is the right way to move and how to deal with the various stresses that the life has to give you at the beginning of your entire journey. So it's been wonderful, Seema, talking to you, learning about the message, how you shaped up your life. Truly inspiring. Thank you for coming here once again, and to connect with such inspiring ladies and to know their stories. Do you know where you need to go to? Don't go too far. On your phone message window, onto your Facebook, you only have to look for WeEnclave.com. That's where you will find all these inspiring women parked there beautifully in their own space. And on the 5th of May, we have a networking meet coming up. So want to know more, log on to that Facebook page and to get connected. The entire We family is here to welcome you with an open arm. And I am your host, Indoor Shambhavi. I am a celebrity tarot card reader, Vastu consultant, life coach, and I am here to guide you. But before we go, we need to take the contact details of Seema as to how do we get in touch. Seema, please tell us how can they connect with
if I may say, I guess the message what I want to pass is whatever you do it with passion.
Beautiful.
And of course, you can get me on my on my Facebook page, which is Image Consultant and Soft Skill Trainer Seema Babani.
So So you know where you need to get in touch. Seema, would you like to leave your number?
No, my Facebook page is there, so they can get me in touch.
Okay, so Facebook page is very inspiring. Social media is taking on by its term. We will see you all soon and stay connected for a lot of such inspiring stories, ladies and journeys coming up next. Thank you so much. Until then, take care. Bye-bye. Never forget how wildly capable you are being a woman. This is Ami, and this is a wonderful space that we are sitting on. She's the owner and founder of her own space. But you know why I chose this line? Because you have to hear her story and her journey. She quite lives the lines. So welcoming you, Ami, on this hot seat and the wonderful platform, and to share your journey and knowledge with us. So it's lovely having you here. And tell us, how did this rising energy start, and what is your work, and what? There's so much I know.
Alright, thank you for introducing me. So it's been a long journey. It's been almost now 20 years I am into this industry, and I'm the founder of Rising Energia. So basically I'm an interior designer taking residential and commercial spaces. We design the spaces looking at the functionality of it, the aesthetic point of it, and also taking budget into considerations. Also at the same time, nowadays as the trend has come in that we require vastus, and the spaces what we have in this moment, they are very small areas, and also how to create those areas, how to rebuild, and how to give that comfortable zone to a client. That is my forte, and that is the USP what we work into. Definitely we are also into modular kitchens. We take care of the modular furnitures also, and especially when it comes to vastu, we take care of the vastus pertaining to the areas, also the color combinations, where it is the warmth, the areas of the walls, the directions of the bed, kitchens,
Every
everything,
detail,
details.
minuteness of
Yes.
how more it can be vastu compliant.
Yes, because now that's become a trend, and it gives a very positive impact, when we are
Yes.
designing the whole area.
Yes.
And we have seen the differences. I have also seen the differences in my own self, in my own houses, in my own offices. So that's where we design the houses. We transform the houses into homes. That is what we look at. Even the office spaces, let it be the commercial premises, the corporate offices, any industry we take care of. And for me, it's been a long journey of 18 years. There was a break of pertaining 5 years. That was my maternity break. But after that, I again conquered into this industry. And today I'm here with you,
Wow.
with a woman entrepreneurship.
Yes, that's been quite a journey. Often people think maternity breaks are the end of their lives and their passions and their journey. We have Ami as a live example sitting with us, who has gone against this myth and said this breaks and these small happinesses must not take over your career and your passion. So in this entire time that you were literally consolidating yourself after your pregnancy of your kids, and reviving from there, I'm sure you were thinking of re-establishing
Yes.
yourself. And when you came back, how easy, how difficult, how accepted were you?
It was little difficult for me because coming back after 5 years, the market had changed, the trends had changed. So it at least took me 6 months to come back. But again, as I said, once I have a vision. See, for me, a message is that if you have a goal, if you have a vision, you will definitely achieve a target in life. So I always had a vision, I always had a target, okay, this is where I need to reach. So which helped me in, targeting all my areas, targeting all I had a lot of, there were a lot of draws, there are a lot of things which, I had to take care of. So, which I overcome, and that's what it helped me in developing my own company, Rising Energia. Okay. So yes, definitely, it was a tough time for 6 months, but then yes, I overcome all the hurdles, and today I'm one of the entrepreneur where I am owning my own company by the name of Rising Energia, and I'm happy.
Beautiful. That's what's important, and that is what truly matters at the end. To be happy. There's so much that we go around doing around ourselves, around the people, around the work we do, only to be happy. And here, Ami has found the right mantra to be happy, smiling, and growing with rising energies. Wonderful. Would you like to tell people if they want to be connecting with you for some home decors, Vastu consultations as per home, where can they reach out to you?
Surely. Firstly, I would like to tell everyone that please follow your visions, please follow your goals, and achieve your targets. Secondly, I would also like to thank Chaitali, being the founder of the V, because once I got connected, of course, I got a nice networking group, and she's doing very, very good. Gratitude to her. And if you want to transform your houses into homes, please connect me. My name is Ami Mehta, and my number is 9870001979.
That's quite an easy number to connect. So, yes, save that number and connect with her for all your home requirements and need. And I'm signing off from this wonderful chit chat, though I don't want to go away, but I have to, till I bring you the next inspiring personality on the show. So, I'm your host Santosh Shambhavi, a celebrity tarot card reader, Vastu consultant, life coach, and a lot more. Alright, so I will see you on the next episode of the We panel discussion and the exclusive interviews. Do log on to FB page which says WeEnclave.com. Until then, take care and bye bye
Bye.
from both
Thank
of us.
you.
Thank you.